Welcome back, children, to lesson number 7 of your EVS subject I Love Gujarat. Children, in my last video, we studied that Flamingo visited Anand, Gandhinagar, and Ahmedabad. Now, today, take out page number 56. Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. On the onset of winter, different types of foreign birds are seen here. Children, we have already done wildlife sanctuaries and bird sanctuaries of Gujarat. In that, we have studied about Nal Sarovar also, which is a bird sanctuary between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. And you can see different foreign birds which migrate from different countries to here. Now the flamingo says, I enjoyed in Gujarat, enjoyed a lot, I love Gujarat. So finally flamingo was very happy. It enjoyed in Gujarat and it loved Gujarat very much. And children, by this we reach to the end of the chapter. Today we will start with some workbook exercises. Children, take out page number 61 of your workbook. You can see lesson number 7, I love Gujarat. First question is, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the place provided against each question. See children, for every question 4 options are given. You have to write the correct option in the blank given. First one is, which is the second largest port of our country? You can see here Jamnagar, Kandla, Veraval and Alang. The 4 options are given. You have to find out the correct one. So children, here the correct option is Kandla. The second largest port of our country is Kandla. Now the second one, grass growing in which region of Kutch is the tallest grass of Asia? The 4 options are Banni, Bhuj, Veravadar or Kandla. So here children, which is the region of Kutch which has tallest grass? And it is Banni. Banni is the correct answer of second. Choose the correct alternative. Now the third one, which is the national aquatic animal of our country? So the options here are starfish, crocodile, dolphin and octopus. Yes children, as we have national animal, national flower, in the same way we have national aquatic animal. And do you remember that after flying from Kutch, whom did this flamingo meet? Yes, dolphin in Pirotan Island. And so, which is the national aquatic animal of our country? Yes, dolphin. Which is the only hill station of Gujarat? Yes, I know you all might be knowing this because many of you are visiting this in rainy season. Yes, it is Saputara. Now the next one is fifth one, which dam is built on Narmada river? Yes, the 4 options are Dharoi, Sardar Sarovar, Kakrapur and Kandana. Children, this is a very famous dam, that is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Now, which mountain range lies in the Dang district? Children, we have learned about hills in Gujarat. So, which is the mountain range which lies in Dang district? Yes, Satpura ranges. Now, the next one is, which district of Gujarat is mostly forest region? That means which district? In which district of Gujarat mostly you will find only trees, that is fully forest? Yes, the correct answer is Dang. Now the last one is, where is Indroda National Park located? Children, do you know which is the capital of Gujarat? Yes, it is Gandhinagar. And where is this Indroda National Park located? Yes, in the capital of Gujarat, that is Gandhinagar. And the correct answer is also Gandhinagar. Now, children, question number 2 on the same page, that is page number 61, filling the blanks with the appropriate words. Now, some sentences are given to you and with the blanks, and you have to find out the correct answer. The birds coming from foreign countries are called dash birds. Children, we have already learned that some birds migrate from other countries to India to survive under their favorable conditions, because there in other foreign countries it is very cold during winters. So these birds which migrate from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. So the correct answer is the migratory birds. The birds coming from foreign countries are called migratory birds. Now the second one is dash port is situated in Abdasa of Kutch. Yes, the correct answer for this is Kandla Port. Kandla Port is situated in Abdasa of Kutch. Now the third one is dash island is situated in Jamnagar district. Now which is the island which is situated in Jamnagar district? Yes, it is Pirotan Island, where flamingo met dolphin. Now comes dash forest is the only sanctuary for Asiatic lions in entire Asia. Yes, it is very famous one. It is Gir Forest. Gir Forest is the only sanctuary of Asiatic lions in entire Asia. Now the last one is dash are the highest hills of Gujarat. So children, which are the highest hills of Gujarat? Yes, it is Girnar. So children, today we did 2 questions of workbook. Rest of the questions we will do in my next video. Children, write these answers in your workbook. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.